A multimeter is a tool. It measures electricity. You can measure volts, ohms, and amps. These measurements tell you about a circuit. Multimeters are useful for many things. You can test batteries with a multimeter. You can find broken wires with a multimeter. You can even build circuits with a multimeter. To use a multimeter, you will need a few things. First, you need a multimeter. Digital multimeters are easier to read. They are a good choice for beginners. You will also need some probes. Probes are the wires that connect to the multimeter. They have metal tips that touch the circuit. Red is positive and black is negative. Voltage is the force of electricity. It is measured in volts. To measure voltage, turn the dial to V. Touch the red probe to the positive side. Touch the black probe to the negative side. The multimeter will show the voltage reading. For example, a AA battery has 1.5 volts. A car battery has 12 volts. Current is the flow of electricity. It is measured in amps. To measure current, turn the dial to A. Current must flow through the multimeter. This means breaking the circuit open. Connect the red probe to the positive path. Connect the black probe to the negative path. The multimeter will show the current reading. Section 5. Measuring resistance. Unmasking the opposition. Resistance measures how much a component resists electricity. It is measured in ohms. To measure resistance, turn the dial to ohms. The component must be disconnected from power. Touch the probes to the component's leads. The multimeter will show the resistance reading. High resistance means low current can flow. Low resistance means high current can flow. Section 6. Reading the screen, decoding the numbers. Digital multimeters have a screen. The screen shows the measurement value. It also shows the unit of measurement like volts, amps, or ohms. Some multimeters automatically choose the range. Others require you to select the range. Make sure the range is higher than the expected value. If the reading is OL, the range is too low. Adjust the range and try again. Section 7. Common errors. Watch out for these. One common error is using the wrong range. This can damage the multimeter. Another error is touching both probe tips with your fingers. This can give you a false reading. Always double-check the connections. Make sure the probes are securely in place. After finishing a measurement, turn the dial off. This will save battery life. Section 8. Staying safe. Electricity demands respect. Electricity can be dangerous. Never work on a live circuit. Always disconnect the power before taking measurements. Do not touch bare wires. Be careful when measuring high voltages or currents. Use caution when working with batteries. They can overheat and explode. If you are unsure about something, ask for help. Section 9. Caring for your multimeter, a friend for life. Your multimeter is a valuable tool. Take care of it and it will last a long time. Store it in a dry place. Clean the probes after each use. Inspect the probes for damage. Replace them if they are frayed or broken. Calibrate the multimeter periodically. This will ensure accurate readings.